Alright, as you may know, neighbor gave me these JBL L96 Delta studio monitors. The woofers are completely blown. Foam is out of them. And the coils are seized up. Mid-range basket's all junk. So I found direct replacements for those guys, and I got some GRS Audio period match woofers for these guys. Tweeters in these are excellent. But I just finished up the second speaker, sanding, and just put some Minwax on it, and then buffed it in. It turned out great. Hopefully this camera can pick up the sheen and the beauty of the grain. 40-year-old wood. Look at that. Pretty color. Just leave it natural. I'm trying to keep it as stock as possible. This is my ring alarm going off. Look at that. As you know, I'm sure you've seen what it looked like before. The hell, there was paint on it. Scuff marks. I even did the bottoms. And hopefully I can show you the electronics in here. They got some serious electronics going on the inside there. This is just what I use. Just buffed it in right here. Minwax paste finishing wax. Just brushed it in with the buffer. Or hand applied it and then buffed it. Might do another coat on this one. Look at that. Look at that sheen. Natural wood. Isn't that beautiful? This one over here is going to need a little bit more work. You see along here? Got some scuff marks. I can fix those. I got some blend fill pencil and a little bit of dabber stain. I'll be able to fix this up real nice. This one's in great shape. This is mechanically, this one's in a little bit better shape. Look at that finish though. Look at that gloss. Than the other one over there. But yeah, I just spent the morning. I had to go to Lowe's and get some more sandpaper and stuff there. And just keep working on these. I'm still waiting the speakers. I gotta fill and fix this right here. Look at that. Look at that sheen. You see that? Mirror finish. Nice walnut wood veneer. Old school speakers. JBL L96 Deltas. Oh yeah, I gotta fix this right here. See how this is crunchy? Right there. It's right in there. Gotta fix that. Shouldn't be too bad. A little bit of TLC, baby. That's all I needed. Rock on.